So yeah, you can see I've done this bit already. This is what the patio currently looks like, and this is the stuff that we are using. Yeah, I mean, we haven't spoken about the outfit, have we? This is part one of getting our garden summer ready. We are going to be jet washing the patio, trying out some patio cleaner, which will hopefully get rid of the black spots. We'll also be arranging the garden furniture, potting up some plants, and just generally having a good tidy up. So let's get into it. Okay, so first thing we need to do to get the garden summer ready is clear the patio and give it the patio a jet wash. I'm going to use some special patio cleaner. Last year I tried bleach, it didn't work, so I've actually got some proper patio cleaner for this time to try, and hopefully it'll bring off any of the black, like the black marks you get, which the jet wash just doesn't get off. So yeah, I've got some of that, but first, yeah, we need to just clear the patio and get the area clear. At the moment it's looking a bit of a mess. So we cleared the patio. There's a few bits that I've left out on the patio because I just need to jet wash. So yeah, I just want to jet wash this table, these chairs, the storage cupboard, and these rugs. Hopefully they come up all right. Okay, lesson learned. Don't leave the rugs outside in the winter, because that just took me forever to jet wash just the one, and I've still got 2 more to do. So I'm just going to show you the dirt that comes out of this. So yeah, you can see I've done this bit already, so I've just got to do this half over here. We have jet washed everything that's on the patio. Patio is pretty much clear apart from the table, so I'm just going to show you the before of the patio before I jet wash it, and then we'll do it before I put the cleaning stuff on, and then we can see how good it turns out. So this is what the patio currently looks like. It is wet, so obviously that will change the colour of the stones, but you can see there's quite a lot of black marks and dots and stuff all over it. It's goddamn raining. Oh, well, I'm going to get wet anyway, so I might as well just crack on, but I won't be able to film it because I'm not filming out here with the camera. It wasn't supposed to rain today, so yeah. But yeah, let's get this done. So I finished the main part of our patio with the jet wash. Yeah, I've just got to do this section here, which is sort of the lower half of it. Because I'm still working on that, I thought I might as well get the stuff on that we're going to try and get all the black spots off with. But I just started pouring it on, and then I realised I haven't actually shown you what the patio looks like now that I've jet washed it. So we can sort of see then what the difference is and whether this stuff actually works. So let me just show you. Okay, so this is what it's looking like at the moment. So yeah, it does look better, but as you can see there's a lot of black marks on it. So this area here I've already started to put the stuff on. I think you can already see a difference actually. And this is the stuff that we are using. It's called the Ultimate Black Spot Destroyer. Yeah, I mean, we haven't spoken about the outfit, have we? Amazing. So I've got dustbin bag waterproof trousers and a dustbin bag top because it started to rain. Thankfully it's now stopped raining, but it does keep raining on and off. We're going to crack on and get this stuff down. Literally just pour it on, scrub it in and leave it to dry and do its magic. Let's do it. Jet washed everything and everything's got the patio cleaner on it. Although having said that, I didn't quite finish this bit over here because the jet wash decided to die on me, but I've managed to fix it. So if you ever have this problem with a Karcher jet wash where it's plugged in, water's on, etc., and it cuts out, it just doesn't, no power, doesn't seem like it's doing anything. So if you have this problem, turn the power off on the Karcher, then also turn the water off. And then what you do, obviously I'm not going to do it because it is plugged in at the moment. You press this, pull this out. So you basically take the hose attachment off and then turn the water back on, don't turn the pressure washer back on, and just let the water flow out of it for about 5-10 minutes. And then once you've done that, turn the water off, reattach the, I don't know what you call it, nozzle, we'll go with nozzle. Yeah, reattach the nozzle and then turn it back on and it should work. So I'm just going to let the stuff to sit. Dinner's nearly ready, so after dinner I'll get back out here and then I'm just going to jet wash over it again to get rid of the patio cleaner. It's definitely lifted it. It's not got rid of everything on it, but it's definitely made a big difference with getting all the black marks off and stuff. Here, I don't think, I didn't film this bit. I should have done this bit because this bit was worse. This was literally black. Even if I jet washed it, it was still quite dark. But yeah, this is really lifted up as well. But yeah, really pleased with it. I finished jet washing the patio. I'm just going to try and get most of the stuff back onto the patio, and then probably Wednesday, Thursday, I'll probably get back out here and we'll start making it look pretty. We've made good progress with this patio thing. It always takes like a good day to jet wash the patio. Quite a large patio as well, and I like to be quite thorough. I'm pretty pleased with that. It's come out pretty well. Definitely looks a darn sight better than what it did. But yeah, I reckon if we do this again next year, I reckon we can get it up looking even better. But yeah, very, very pleased with how it's looking. I am done. I just need to get the jet wash packed away and then that's it. The gazebo frame needs a bit of touching up. There's a couple of areas where it's got a bit rusty, so I'm just going to go in with a wire brush and then I'm going to go in with some rust to metal paint just to touch up the areas that need it, and then once that's dried we can then sort out getting the cover back on and stuff. Yeah, it's just like areas like this that have gone rusty, but then there's also these bits here and stuff, so to sort of try and minimise it getting worse we just need to treat it and hopefully that will keep it going for longer. It's been a few weeks since we've been out here and I jet washed the patio. It's still looking a bit chaotic, but first thing I need to do is, last weekend I started wire brushing the gazebo frame because there's a few rust patch, so I'm going to touch up the paint. I'm hoping the paint that I've got is kind of matching it. If it doesn't, then I don't know, we'll see. We might end up painting the whole thing, but we'll see what it looks like. So once we've painted that, I'm then going to get the furniture laid out on the patio so it's all looking nice, and then we'll get some plants potted up as well. It's a lovely day today and I think it's going to be like this for the rest of the week, which is awesome because I'm off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week, and then it's a bank holiday Monday. We didn't have as productive day as I'd kind of hoped, but I have managed to paint the whole of the gazebo frame. I am at home tomorrow, so hopefully on my lunch break tomorrow I might be able to get out here and get a bit tidied up and stuff. The frame's painted at least anyway. And the paint that I got was actually a very good match. So I was just going to touch up because it was that good a match, but I've ended up painting the whole lot. It only needed one coat, so yeah, very pleased with it. So because I didn't get as much done as I wanted to yesterday, I'm on my lunch break at the moment, so I'm just going to get the patio laid out so it's looking nice. So we've made a little dent reorganising the garden. So let me just show you. So I've managed to lay out the sofas how I want them. Unfortunately, I have got one broken section. I stood on it yesterday and it just collapsed, so we need to repair it. Shouldn't be too difficult to repair. We should be able to do it. We just need to sort out this side where the dining table goes and then sort out where the pots go, and then we can start making it look pretty. The other day I managed to get the curtains on the gazebo. We do need to get the roof on, but we've had to get a replacement roof, and I do need to adapt it so it actually fits because it wasn't quite the right one. So I'm just going to get the cushions out and stuff, and then we'll kind of do the rest of the patio. so I've got all the cushions out and stuff, and I just need to sort out the dining area, and then once we've done that we can get some plants potted up and stuff and start making it look pretty. Right, so I'm going to get out in the garden and get some plants potted up just to add some flowers and colour and stuff onto the patio. But I think in my next video I'm going to be making new cushions for outside, just because I kind of want to change the colours and just have a bit of a refresh. And I also need to alter the gazebo roof, so we'll do that in the next video as well. And I might remake the wisteria hanging centrepiece as well. So yeah, let's get these plants potted up and start making it look pretty. Okay, so I bought a selection, so some of them were fallen down and do probably desperately need watering. But yeah, I just went to B&Q and bought a load of plants for the pots. This pot here has just got mint in it, so I just want to refresh it a little bit. That one, don't know what's in there, so we'll put some new plants in there. This one here has just got succulents in, but we just want to refresh it a bit. That one I think is a dead fuchsia, so, and then these are all the other pots that we need to put up. Right, okay, so I've finished potting. I just need to water the plants and then we can get them in situ. Yeah, they're looking good. Obviously, once they fill out a little bit more, they'll look even better. So I've repotted these succulents. I think what I'm going to do with this is I've got some purple slate, so I might just put that in and around the succulents in there. I have no idea what any of these plants are. I just went for the colours that I liked. I kind of went for like orange and pinks, really. Let's get them watered and then we can get them in situ. That's pretty much it for part one of getting the garden summer ready. In the next video I am going to be making some new outdoor cushions, and I'm also going to be showing you how to make fabric water resistant, and we're also going to be remaking the hanging centrepiece up here. And what else are we going to be doing? We will also get the gazebo cover on after I've made the adjustments to it. And yeah, just generally putting it up and putting fairy lights up and stuff like that. So if you do like this sort of content, then please do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.